Hi guys, have you ever thought of creating an application using camera features? So in PowerApps, camera is one of the best features that you can utilize with a few steps only, just like this camera application. So to test this one out, let's proceed and then let's take an image. And as you can see here, we have a dark screen image and it gives us a file name and we can actually delete that and we can take another picture so we can save this and let's have one more image. All right, and then save it. So when we go to our gallery we will see two images here and then we can clear our gallery. So if this is something that you want to build, this video is for you. All right, so for the first part we will just duplicate the screen and then we'll remove all of this. Okay, and then we'll rename it as, say, camera. Let's just try to minimize it. Okay, and then we will duplicate the screen again. We will rename this, say, capture. And then one more screen, let's rename it gallery. Press enter. All right, then let's minimize it. Let's go to camera. And then for the second step, what we will do is we will add the camera here. So to do that, let's go to insert and then under media, we'll select camera and let's just wait. All right. And then let's just resize this and then we'll add a simple label at the top of our canvas. So something like this. Then let's resize and then let's change it to capture camera or say capture image. Okay, and then the size will be 25 and then let's change the color of the font, let's say white, and then let's set it or align it in the center. Okay, and then for the border let's have one here and then let's select this color. All right, and then we will just add a simple icon here. For the gallery icon, let's select this menu icon and then let's change the color to white. Okay, and one icon for the camera. So let's say this icon. Okay, and then let's change the color to white so that we can see it clearly. So for design purpose, I will add here a circle and then I will color it red. Okay, and then I will put this icon, camera icon, at the top of this circle shape. So to do that, right click and then reorder, then bring to front, and then let's just put our shape here. Right, a little bit of adjustments. Okay, so one of the feature that we want to have here is for us to let our users to use the front and back of the camera. So let's go to insert and then under input, we will select toggle and then we will put it here. Okay, right, and then we'll just change the color of the field. So if it's false, let's say let's have green, and if it's true, let's have red. So what we will do in the next few steps is that we will complete first all of the items per screen or per canvas. So for camera, we're already done. And then let's move to capture first. So for the capture screen, what will happen is that, say for example, we already take an image here in our camera page. We will change the screen to here and then it should show the image that was just taken. So obviously that will be an image. So let's go to insert, then under media, we'll select image, right? And then we'll resize it here, somewhere like this. And then we'll add two buttons at the bottom of the image. So we'll just go to insert and then select button. And then let's put here. So this is for, say, delete. Delete of the image if the user doesn't want that image. And then let's resize it to somewhere 30. Let's select 30 again. Yeah. Okay. And then let's just copy and paste this. Let's put, for the text, let's say this is save button. And then let's select green here. Well, for delete, that should be red color. All right. And then let's just go to camera and we will copy this text at the top of our canvas. Okay, this will be, save, say save image, something like this. Okay, and then we'll copy this again, and we will put here the file name of the image before we save it to our collection. So let's just change this to file name for the meantime. And finally, for our gallery screen, we'll just copy and paste the label that we have in our previous screens. And we will change this to say, gallery. Yeah. Okay, so let's add a simple icon here so that we can go back to the previous screen. So let's just find a good icon, somewhat this one. Okay, and then let's change the color because our screen is dark. So let's select white. And then what I'll do is I will just copy the icon that we have here and I will paste it here and then I'll put it at the right side of this screen. Okay, let's resize it. Okay, so two more items that we need to add. So the first would be the gallery, then let's select blank gallery. Okay, let's just wait and then we will resize it here. And then let's just go to capture and then copy the button and then let's paste it at the bottom part of our screen. All right. And then let's remove the radius here. Where is that? Okay. Border radius should be 0. And the color of our button is, say, dark blue. No, let's have black here. Okay, great. So let's just double check the sizing. Okay, and then we'll change this to clear gallery. All right, so now we are ready to extend the functionality of our camera and complete all of the other features of this application. So let's start in toggle. So let's change the name to toggle camera. All right. And then what we will do is we will change the name as well of our camera to camera capture, something like that. All right. And for camera, let's go to advanced. And then under design camera, we will add the value of our toggle camera dot value. All right. Okay, so the main purpose of that function is for us to toggle the camera. So by default, we have our front cam and we have an option to select the back camera, something like this. And if we toggle it on again, we will have our front camera. Now for our gallery icon, we'll just select it and then under on select, advanced on select, we will change it. Instead of false, we'll have a navigate function to gallery, which is the last screen or the last canvas that we have. Okay, and then let's test it. Select our icon here. So it's changed the screen or the canvas from camera to gallery screen. And so to go back, we select this icon, and then under on select, let's have this navigate going back to camera, and the screen transition will be uncovered, right? So let's play it, and then let's go back. Okay, so we are here in our camera screen. Now let's focus on our camera properties. So first step, let's go to properties, and for stream rate, we'll change this to 100. Now for the button, what we will do is let's create a rectangle, and what we will do here is we will make this transparent. All right, so that what will happen is that, say we play this, we have a bigger portion wherein the user can click. Okay, so for this shape, once selected, what will happen is that it will do a clear collect. Okay, so it will clear the collection of photos, and then it will save the captured image from the camera. Okay, next step is we will set a variable image file name. So the file name would be capture underscore, and then we will format a now function. So we'll have capture underscore date or minute second. So the main reason is that we want to make sure that our captured image is always unique. And then let's have this format text. We have month, date, year, or minute, second. And let's close it and then end. Right. And so that PNG. So this will be the extension of our image. And then semicolon, since we will have our last function, which is navigate. So the third one would be navigate the capture screen. Okay, so we have capture, and then the transition would be fade. Right. So we have our error here. Let's just go back to our formula bar. Alright, so we have error in clear collect photos, capture camera that stream. So it says here we have some invalid arguments. Maybe let's check if the name of our camera is capture camera. Yeah, that's right. And let's go back here. Capture. Ah, yeah, it should be camera capture, not capture camera. So that should work. And let's go to capture screen. So remember, we have saved our photos into the photos collection. What we will do is we'll use first photos, okay, dot URL. All right, and then press enter. Now for our file name, remember, our file name is located or saved in a variable image file name. Now let's just go back to our camera screen. So let's try to take an image. Say we will click it. Okay. So we have a black screen, and then capture underscore 04022021, and then this dot png. So we have successfully saved our image to the photos collection. Now for our delete button, what we will do is we will clear the collection, okay, which is in photos, and then we'll navigate back to the camera screen. So that's navigate, and then camera, oops, and then let's have screen transition of uncover right. Okay. All right. And if we click our delete button, okay, so let's take an image. All right. So we have our image here. Now for save button, what we will do is we will create a new collection, which is all photos, and then we will save this image to our collection. So to do that, let's go to onSelect again. Now the function would be collect, and then the collection name is all photos, and then bracket, right? So we will save two things here. One is the image, which is the first photo, right? Which is the first photo in photos collection. So that is first photos.url, and then the header name would be file name for the image file name. Let's have file name colon and then image file name, which is our variable, right? And then let's close it, then semicolon. So after collecting the image and saving it to all photos, we can navigate back to our camera screen. So that is camera and then uncover right. All right, so we are almost done. What we will do is let's just go really quick to our gallery, and then let's select all photos collection, and under this gallery we'll add an image. All right, somewhere here, yeah, and then another label for our file name. All right, so let's just click save button, and let's go back to gallery. So we have successfully saved the image to all photos collection, and let's just make this a little bit bigger, and for the file name, let's make this 25, yeah, or say 35. All right, and let's make this white. Great. Then for clear gallery, what we want to do here is we want to clear the all photos collection. So to do that, that is really simple. Let's use clear, then select all photos. All right, great. Now if we click clear gallery, it will remove all of the images saved in all photos. And if we go back, we can capture another image. So let's save an image and then save, and then let's go to gallery. So we have one image here, which is 34, and then let's go back, let's save another image. All right, let's take, then save, and then let's go back to gallery. Now we have two, so 34 and 47, and we can clear our gallery. All right, so that's the end of our video. So hope you get something from this, and see you in the next video. Bye.